Did you know heartbreak lights up the same brain regions as drug withdrawal? Science confirms breakups are neurological earthquakes. How do you survive love's cold turkey? A breakup isn't a metaphor, it's a psychological injury that rewires your brain. You're not crazy if you've texted your ex at 3 a.m. or cried over their old hoodie. This isn't weakness, it's biochemistry. Here are 10 science-backed steps to reboot your life post-breakup. Step 1 of 10. Cut all contact. Every text or call is a hit that fuels addiction. Messages trigger dopamine, the craving hormone, keeping your brain hooked on false hope. You reread their last "I'm sorry" 10 times, knowing it changes nothing. Delete their number. Block socials. In 21 days, your brain resets. But what if loneliness suffocates you? Think of silence as a vaccine. Each day without contact strengthens your emotional immunity. Step 2 of 10. Surround yourself with support. Isolation spikes fear hormones. Social bonds slash cortisol levels. You cancel coffee with friends, afraid you'll sob into your latte. Say, "I need to vent, just listen." Vulnerability is strength. Sound familiar? Not all company heals. Curate your squad like a playlist. Skip the critics, replay the hype tracks. Step 3 of 10. Manage anger. Avoid lashing out. Rage masks helplessness. Smashing mementos? It fuels guilt. You shred couple photos, then tape them back at 2 a.m. Write a rage letter. Burn it. Watch anger turn to ash. What if you feel numb? Anger is energy. Channel it into push-ups, not passive aggression. Sweat out the venom. Step 4 of 10. Feel your emotions. Tears flush cortisol. Crying is detox. Bottled emotions rot your gut. You laugh at work, then scream into a pillow so loud your cat hides. Set a 15-minute meltdown timer. Cry. Reset. When did you last cry without shame? Emotions are weather. Let storms pass instead of building dams. Floods fertilize new growth. Step 5 of 10. Talk it out. Verbalizing pain shifts it from emotional to logical brain zones. You retell the breakup story until friends snap, "Stop, he's trash." No listeners? Vent to a voice memo app. Record, delete, repeat. Words are scalpels. Dissect the pain to remove its power. Even a diary becomes a witness. Step 6 of 10. Self-reflection. Post-breakup clarity is brutal but necessary. You swear, "Never trust men." Then flirt with your barista. List what I tolerated and what I deserved. Future, you will thank you. Now, detox your space. Growth isn't pretty, it's rewiring circuits while the house burns, but you'll rebuild stronger. Step 7 of 10. Purge trigger objects. Their stuff activates addiction brain zones. New decor equals new neural pathways. You avoid your mailbox for weeks, their cards inside. Bury memories in a time capsule, dig it up in a year, or don't. What item still guts you? Replace relics with relics. Swap their hoodie for a weighted blanket that hugs back. Step 8 of 10. Fake joy until it's real. Laughter cuts stress hormones by 40%. Fake smiles trick your brain. You go clubbing, but check your phone every song for their text. Sit on a park bench, eat ice cream, watch pigeons. Start small. Neurons can't tell pretend from real. Fake a sunrise long enough, and dawn becomes habit. Step 9 of 10. Avoid rebound traps. Rebounds are emotional duct tape, temporary, messy fixes. You kiss someone new, but mentally compare their touch to your ex's. Hug yourself daily. Say, "I choose me." Corny? Yes. Effective? Yes. Rebounds are mirages. Drink sand now, thirst later. Your oasis is within. Step 10 of 10. Rewire nostalgia. Your brain erases 80% of fights, leaving rose-tinted lies. You claim, "I'm over them." Then stalk their Instagram at midnight. Right. We broke up because tape it to your fridge. Nostalgia is a biased editor. Rewrite the script with deleted scenes they'd never post. Heartbreak isn't weakness. It's proof you love deeply. Redirect that love inward. Next video. 3 toxic phrases to never say post-breakup. 2 will shock you. Comment your toughest step. If this saved you $500 in therapy, smash. Algorithms feast on likes, and my instant noodle budget thanks you.